Almost every new YouTuber starts their journey the same way. We spend hours editing our first video until it looks like something straight out of Netflix. You finally upload it, sit back and think, yeah, this one's gonna blow up. And then, 23 views. 3 of them are from you, one's from your mom, and one's probably a bot. You start wondering, what did I do wrong? And before you know it, you're tired, frustrated, and thinking about quitting. The truth is, it's not just about how good your video looks. If your channel isn't set up the right way from the start, YouTube won't even know who to show your videos to. And that's like trying to sell ice cream in the middle of the Arctic. Nobody's there to buy it. As Sun Tzu said, strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. And in this case, your strategy starts in your YouTube studio settings, and I will show you the right way to set up your channel to grow fast on YouTube. The main goal of all these settings is simple: to make your content reach the right audience and get discovered easily. So keep that mindset. If a setting doesn't match your target audience, don't be afraid to tweak it later. You're the boss of your channel, not the algorithm. Alright, open up YouTube Studio, scroll all the way down to the settings menu on the left sidebar, and let's walk through this together. Now, click on General. You'll see an option to set your currency. And let me be clear, this one doesn't affect your viewers at all. You can pick dollars, euros, rupees, even pesos. Your audience won't see it. This setting only tells you how much you've earned in the currency you prefer. So yeah, no matter what you pick, you're not suddenly making American money. But hey, dream big. Maybe one day you will. Now let's move to the important part. Head over to Channel Basic Info. You'll find 2 important things here: state of residence and keywords. Now, this part confuses a lot of people. Should I set it to the US even though I live in another country? Here's the deal. YouTube's algorithm is smart enough to prioritize your content based on language and viewer behavior. So if you make videos in English, your content will automatically reach more English-speaking countries. I personally set mine to United States, since that's where most of my target audience hangs out. Now let's talk about the big one: keywords. This section is like YouTube's version of your business card. It tells the algorithm who you are, what your channel's about, and who should see your videos. If you skip it, your content might end up being shown to the wrong crowd. Imagine you make cooking videos, but YouTube shows them to people who only watch gaming or fishing content. Nobody's clicking. Your click-through rate drops. YouTube thinks your content is boring, and boom, your video disappears into the void. So to fix this, fill your keywords with phrases that match your niche. For example, my channel is all about helping creators grow, so my keywords are YouTube tutorial, YouTube for beginners, new YouTubers, small YouTubers. You can also borrow inspiration from your competitors. Look at what successful creators in your niche are using. In my case, it's something like make money on YouTube or YouTube automation. If you're still not sure what keywords to use, try these hacks. Ask ChatGPT. Give me 50 keyword ideas for a YouTube channel about your niche. You'll get a list ready to go. Or visit keywordtool.io. Type your main topic, and it'll suggest popular keyword variations that real people are searching for. Or use tools like TubeBuddy to spy on what your competitors are using. If it works for them, it can work for you too. Remember, your keywords should match what your target audience is typing when they search for information related to your niche. That's how you get found. Now go to the Advanced Settings section. You'll see an option asking if your channel is made for kids. Unless you're running Cocomelon, Baby Shark, or some Peppa Pig remix, check No. Set this channel as not made for kids. This affects your monetization, visibility, and even whether you'll get flagged by YouTube later. So unless your content is 100% for children, mark it as not made for kids. Even family-friendly creators like gamers or DIY channels should do this. Next, open feature eligibility. Here's where you can verify your channel with your phone number or ID. That will unlock 2 major features. uploading custom thumbnails, and uploading videos longer than 15 minutes. Without these, you're basically playing YouTube on easy mode while everyone else is on pro. So take 60 seconds, verify your account, and unlock those perks. Alright, now let's talk about the Upload Defaults tab. There are 4 main parts here: title, description, visibility, and tags. Personally, I leave title, description, and tags blank because every video is different. But I always set visibility to unlisted because of 2 reasons. The first is, data shows the best times to post are between 2 and 4 p.m. or 8 and 11 p.m., so I schedule the video for this hours. And keeping it unlisted first gives YouTube's system a chance to analyze your video. So by the time you make it public, it already knows who to recommend it to. That's a small trick many people don't talk about, but it really helps new channels. Now, under Advanced Settings, check Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. This helps viewers skip to sections they care about, and while it might lower total watch time a bit, it increases engagement. And YouTube loves engagement. As Albert Einstein said, probably not about YouTube, but it still fits. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. In other words, experiment and adapt. That's how you grow. And next for language and captions. I usually set the video language to not applicable because I don't want auto-generated subtitles ruining my visuals. But hey, if subtitles fit your content, turn them on. They can help reach more viewers from other countries. Last, the category section. Always pick a relevant one. If you're a gaming channel, pick gaming. If you do tutorials, choose education. If you're unsure, check your competitors. Right-click on their video page, click View Page Source, and look for category in the code. Choosing the right category helps YouTube recommend your videos to the right audience faster. And you can skip the rest. Permissions, community moderation, and agreements don't really affect your SEO or visibility. And there you have it. The full setup that most new YouTubers completely ignore. You see, growing on YouTube isn't just about creating more content, it's about creating smarter content. When your channel is optimized, your videos are like guided missiles. They hit the right target every single time. If you skip these steps, it's like trying to run a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. You might still move forward, but it's gonna be painful. So go back to your YouTube studio, double-check every setting we just talked about, and make sure your channel is 100% ready for growth. Remember, your channel doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be intentional. Don't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Every big YouTuber started small, with a few views, a few subs, and a lot of mistakes. As Steve Jobs once said, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So keep posting, keep learning, and one day, when you look back, you'll realize this moment, right here, was where it all started. So go ahead, fix your settings, upload your next masterpiece, and show the algorithm who's boss. And hey, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with another struggling YouTuber. Because remember, on YouTube, we grow faster together.